Hello everyone, this is Pauline Angel, URK20CS1015 from the Department of Computer Science and Engineering, KARUNYA. In this video, I'm going to explain you the implementation of a binary tree with different kinds of traversals like in-order, pre-order, and post-order for data structures and algorithms. So let's get started. First, I have created a class node in which I have initialized the keys, which are the left, the right, and the value key. So there are different kinds of function definitions which I have initialized here. So there are three main traversals which we are going to use for a binary tree. So they are in order, pre-order, and post-order. So in a binary tree, the in order traversals follows left data and right data, which means when it is going to traverse through the particular values in an in-order traversal, it is first going to take the left node, and then it is going to print the data, and then it goes to the right node. uh, the tree goes in this order. So for this we have given a if condition, which means if this root which you are going to have here, the root value which you are going to define here, so if this root if we are going to ask, if we are going to store it in the left, then it is going to the left, and then the right, and then the value, or any other way which the user wants to put it in any kind of order. But while printing it, this has to follow, first it is going to print the left, and then it is going to going to print the value, and then later it is going to the right node. So this is how in order works. And for pre-order traversal, first it is going to print the data, then it is going to go to the left node, and then later finally it is going to the right node. So while printing it, first it has to print the particular data which it goes to the first in the first step, and then it goes to the left node, and then to the right node. And in post order, it is going to follow left first, then right, and then finally the data, which means here in this condition the root node or the parent node will be printed the last. So first it is going to go to the left node, then right, and then final data or final value, the root value, the parent value. So for this, these three are the main three traversals which are following different kinds of conditions like ref node or data or write for the in order. And then for when it comes to pre-order, it goes to the data first, and then later it is going to the left, and then to the right. And in post order, first it is going to the left left node, then right node, and finally the data. So here I have given conditions so as to ask the user to give the input, or wherever he wants to store, he can store. So let's see how it works. Let's run this code and see. I have already executed it, but let's execute it one more time and see how it works here. So it is going to take a minute or two, I guess so. So yeah, it should be asking us to enter values. So yeah, insert left, insert right. Let's say insert first, and then enter data to insert. Let's give 1, enter. Then let's give insert left, enter. Let's give 2, enter. Let's take insert 3, insert it right, and then let's take 3, and again let's insert to the left, and let's give 4, enter, and let's give it is asking us data to enter to the values to the left. So let's take 3, enter, and 6, enter to the 3. Let's give 7, 9, and 4. So let's exit for now and see how it's going to print. Yes, in the in order traversal, it is printing in the particular order which we have given above, and here in the pre-order it has given us the data first, since here in the pre-order the first whatever the value which is going to which is going to see or visit first is the root node in this condition, pre-order condition. So first node in which we have given is 1, so the first value is 1. So in pre-order, when it visited the first root node itself, it has to take the data, so it has printed 1 itself. In post order, if you remember, here the data comes last, which means the root node must be printed last. So when it visit the root node at the last, it has printed 1 here. So in this in order traversal, it might be different. So it has to go accordingly, whether first it has to go to the left and then data and then right. So 1 comes here and the remaining order goes like this. So this is how we construct a binary tree and then see through the traversals, different kinds of traversals like in order, pre-order and post order. So hope you understood this program well. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.